everyone, welcome back to TechnonTechTV. The most reasonable question you can ask when you start learning something is that why should I learn this? Why it is good for me and why it is better than other? So to answer these questions, I can tell you what features advantage Java has. So let's start. First, Java is a high language, which means it is very close to natural English language, simple and easy to learn. So if you understand the basic concept of object-oriented programming, then it is easy to get to advanced level. Second, it has been among the best programming languages for more than 20 years for a very good reason. And third, it has a massive enterprise usage, so easier to find a well-paid job. As I mentioned before, most of the Fortune 500 companies are using Java. Moving on to the next one, Java community has over 9 million developers. So if something goes wrong and you need to find an answer for your problem, this community can provide a good support. Also, Java is a strongly taught language, which means that you must define the types of almost every data element, and in exchange it makes the code more understandable and robust. Besides this, Java is also secure, more secure than most of other programming languages, and memory segments are not accessible and it has built-in security code base. So as I mentioned before, Java is platform independent, so you write your code once, then you can run it everywhere. And it is also portable, which is connected to the platform independency, so the same code runs the same way on mobile, desktop or on tablet. Another huge advantage is that it is used in Android development, so you don't need to learn a completely new language to be able to write mobile apps. Next, very important point here is Java is frequently updated, so it has a lot of tools, libraries and frameworks. In addition, it is an evolving language like real language and thus it has the unique ability to combine innovation with stability. And a code that was written way back during the beginning of Java, we are still run on today's machine. And last, Java has a lot of features from other languages, which makes it easier to switch to other languages if you and your company decides to change. Alright, now let's move on to disadvantages. Like any other programming languages, Java also has its own flaws. Now let's see what are those. So first, as I said, it is easy to learn Java, but it takes time to master it. It has a lot of features, very useful frameworks and libraries. Second one, Java has a large runtime. It is worse than C or C++, but it is still faster than Python. Java is not the best memory usage, so in case of a company, it might increase the hardware cost. And last, the main point, Java is not a silver bullet. Some things can be done much better with other languages. For example, Python is much better in AI and data science. In opposition, Java is very good in web development. For example, Spring Framework is the most commonly used framework for web development. In conclusion, Java has its own flaws, but I think it is the best programming language you can start with, and its advantages overtake other languages. So that's it for this video. If you have any doubt, comment us below, and if you found some value in this video, then make sure to subscribe to the channel and give me a thumbs up, and do share this video with your friends to spread the knowledge, and stay tuned for more videos.